This is a 2017 Yamaha 300 horse with tiller. I just got done putting the prop lower unit with bay kit and all the hardware and stuff back on this engine for Daryl Moore from Elkton Outfitters. I removed the jet pump assembly and installed the prop lower with bay kit. Awesome boat, awesome guy. Give him a call if you want to catch some fish and take a ride in this boat. Lots of space, lots of room. I hooked up my computer to it and did a full printout for him. He's only put 2 hours on this engine since I last serviced it in November. So he's about to put more hours on it now with this prop lower unit back on it. Get back out there in the deeper waters and oceans and stuff. He uses the jet pump in the rivers and everything around here. And thank you, Daryl, for putting one of my stickers on your boat. One of my old school stickers on your boat. I appreciate the love. But yeah, he's ready to rock and roll this season now.